cop hears strange sound in trash compactor. What he does next shocks everyone. Just days before Christmas in Gardena, California, something didn't sit right outside a local church. A self-compacting trash container stood near the building, the kind designed to automatically crush whatever is dropped inside, making room for more garbage. People walked past it that day without a second thought. But one passerby heard a strange noise. It wasn't loud, just a faint, unfamiliar sound, enough to make them stop and call the police. When Nick Bierling, an 18-year veteran of the Gardena Police Department, arrived at the scene, he knew the risk immediately. Once activated, these machines don't stop. Whatever is inside doesn't get a second chance. Bierling and other officers worked quickly to unlock and cut open the smart bin. When the door finally gave way, they found the source of the sound. Sitting quietly, a small terrier mix puppy looked back at them, but what he did next was unexpected. Bierling named him Norm after nearby Normandy Avenue. The puppy was taken to an animal shelter to be checked over. 5 days later, Bierling came back. It was Christmas Eve. It was also his daughter's birthday. His daughters had been begging him for a new dog for months, so he adopted Norm, a decision nobody saw coming. Today, Norm lives with Bierling, his wife Marina, and their daughters, slowly settling into family life. Sometimes rescue doesn't end at survival. Sometimes it ends at the front door of a new home.